Okay, problem number 6. We're following the equation y equals mx plus b. Let's look at this line right here to start with. Its starting point is at a 3. The slope is rise over run, which is 1/3 x. And then I have to look at the shading. According to this line, the shading is above it. So y is greater than or equal to 1/3 x plus 3. I don't see any 1/3 x's, so I have to continue manipulating my equation. If I multiply everything through by 3, that will clear the fraction 3 here. 3y is greater than or equal to 3 divided by 3 is 1x, or just x, plus, whoops, that's a minus, because it's at -3, minus 9. It seems to come close to matching this one. It doesn't seem to match anything else. So this one right here, we need to put the x over to this side. So if I bring the x over to here, that means I subtract x from both sides. So minus x plus 3y is greater than or equal to -9. It still doesn't seem to match it, but if you look closely, negative and a negative and a negative. So if I multiplied through everything by -1, it would match that. And then when you multiply everything by a -1, you turn the sign around. So it in fact becomes x minus 3y less than or equal to +9, which matches E perfectly. Now for the other line, we're going to look right here. That starts at a +4. So that starts with a +4. I'm going to show it all right here. The slope is a rise over run. It's 2, a rise of 2, a run of 1. So it's a minus 2x. And then, according to this line, the shading is above it also. So y is greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 4. Here's a minus 2x plus 4, but be careful. The signs do not match. So it is not answer B. I continue. If I look at this one, if I double these two, but then the signs are different, so it's definitely not going to be that one. This one is my possibility right here. But everything seems to have been doubled. So I'll start by doubling everything. So if I multiply everything by 2, I get 2y greater than or equal to minus 4x plus 8. If I add 4x to both sides, I get 4x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 8. And that matches part C perfectly. So on something like part B, where do these points fit? Some of them will be exactly right, and some of them won't fit at all. You have to extrapolate where the graphing goes to understand. 0, 10. 0, I'm already at 4. I keep going up, and that shaded part continues to expand out. So 0, 10 is, say, something like that, but the shading keeps going further and further to the left. So 0, 10 is obviously going to be inside. -2, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It hasn't quite reached the shading point yet, so it is no good. 10, -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and a -7. Well, way out here, maybe I'm not sure whether I'm right here, or I'm right here, or right here, but if I go down -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's way down there. There's no way that one's going to fit. And a 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I haven't even reached this line yet, and then I go up into the shaded part somewhere up in here. So the answers are B and D.